Hi boys and girls, we are continuing with chapter 14. We are on 14.2 and once again I decided to skip the first page of the lesson. So we're on the second page and we are going to be making our own picture graphs today. So one of the first graphs we're going to learn about are frequency tables that will then get us actually to the graph. This is a table. So a frequency table is a table that gives the number of times something occurs. This table here is showing students' favorite planets. So you survey students about their favorite planet. The frequency table shows the results. Use the table to complete the picture graph. So we're going to take this information and put it in a picture graph. So write the title at the top of the picture graph. The title is favorite planet. So we will write favorite planet. Doesn't have to be favorite planet. It could be something else related to it. You could just say planets. You could put students' favorite planets, but I just wrote favorite planets. Then you want to label the row for each category. So Earth, Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter, which they already did for us here. Look at the numbers in the table and choose a key. So how many for each picture, how many students do you want it to represent? When I look here, an easy number would be 5 or 10 or something like that. So let's go ahead and do 10. We'll probably end up drawing some half smiley faces. And then use the key to decide how many symbols you'll draw, and then we'll draw the symbols. So if 25 students liked Earth, and each one's 10, so this is 10, 20, and then 25. So if I draw half, it'll represent 5. So Mars, 15 students like Mars, so this is 10, represents 10. And then if I draw another half one, that represents 5, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 right here. 30 students like Saturn, so that'd be 10, 20, 30. And then 20 students like Jupiter, so that would be 10, 20. All right, so now we have our picture graph. And you're gonna make your own picture graphs as we go on in the lesson, but I'll do this last one down here for you guys. Use the frequency table to complete the picture graph. So this is our frequency table. It tells how many times something's occurred. This is showing books you read. So we could title this Books You Read. You could say books I read, books Sarah read, books Bob read, anything you want to title it, but it has to relate to what you're putting in here. So books you read, I'll just copy that one. And then we can decide, they said the symbol could be a circle. You could draw something in there if you want. I'll just keep it as a circle. So each circle would represent how many books. Looking at this, I think 3 might be an easy number to use. So if you read 6 books in June, one circle's 3, so 3, 6. I'd stop there. You read 3 books in July, well, one circle's 3, so that's just one circle. But you read 9 in August, so that'd be 3, 6, 9. So now with this lesson in the picture graphs, you guys are just kind of creating your own key and putting in the information on your own, but they are giving you a table to work with. All right, that will be it for 14.2. So, bye fishies. Bye guys.